just started to play Lost Records Bloom and Raids on the PlayStation 5. Awesome, especially if you're a Gen X or a millennial and you were a teen or a kid in the 90s. Love this, especially if you love, like myself, story-based video games that you can like create like a sort of movie story, because if you change your choices, it will change the story. However, what I want to say, who remembers floppy disk? I just am at the part that you're searching around and I found a floppy disk. Who remembers it? That takes me back. What about you?